people who are unvaccinated are up on the order of 10 to 15 times more likely to die of COVID-19 than a fully vaccinated person.
And researchers say that's a statistic everyone should pay attention to. The vast majority of hospitalizations and deaths from COVID are in those who are not vaccinated.
And we are seeing younger and younger patients who come to the ICU nowadays who are unvaccinated, and they're not surviving this.
The Maryland Department of Health released statistics that while the total number of deaths in Maryland among vaccinated people since the vaccines came out is 0.0065%. Between September 1st and October 15th, they accounted for 30% of COVID deaths.
That proportion can be misleading. And the reason why is that as more and more people are vaccinated in the United States, they can make up a greater proportion of the deaths.
The State Department of Health agrees, writing in a statement, as the number of our residents who are vaccinated continues to increase, we expect to see an increase in the proportion of COVID-related deaths occurring in vaccinated individuals. Many of these deaths are linked to comorbidities that make patients more vulnerable. Dr. Moss says those risk factors include people over the age of 85 and those with underlying medical conditions.
Immunocompromising conditions that, again, place them at high risk for severe COVID, should they get infected, and also interferes with their immune response to the vaccine such that they're not as protected as we would like them to be.
The most prominent recent example is the death of Colin Powell, who was 84 and had cancer. Dr. Moss says booster shots could play a role in reducing the death rate among those fully vaccinated.
I think there is evidence that in that older age group, that booster doses, will help, prevent severe disease. But I want to emphasize that our vaccines are holding up pretty well against severe disease. So I don't want people to panic about that.
Dr. Moss says a lot of these new cases and deaths can be attributed to the Delta variant. Reporting live in Midtown, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.